Skincare treatment for the most common skin conditions. A glowing and healthy skin is an asset. Skin is not all about beauty but also health. So, skincare treatment should be treated with all seriousness. If you develop a skin-related dilemma, you need an appropriate skincare treatment. Skincare treatment, for any skin disorder, starts with actions that are aimed at prevention of the disorder, what we can also call as proactive or preventive skincare treatment. Building and following basic skincare procedures is what one could classify as preventive or proactive skincare treatment. Skin disorders can occur even if you have followed this preventive skincare treatment. Preventive skincare treatment just reduces the probability of occurrence. Let's check the skincare treatment for some of the common skin conditions. Acne is one of the most common problems. Again, the first type of skincare treatment is to control acne and prevent it from getting worse. So avoid tight clothes, they are known to cause body acne by trapping sweat. Do not touch the blemishes over and over again, rather don't touch them at all, you might end up aggravating the condition. Also, do not try to scrub too hard or squeeze them. Use of mild cleansers is a recommended skincare treatment for acne. Obtain an over-the-counter skincare treatment for faster treatment of acne. Skincare treatment of dry skin is generally easy. Moisturizers, applied in the right way and in the right quantity, are the best form of skincare treatment for dry skin. For best results, apply moisturizer while your skin is still damp. Also, do not apply too much or too little moisturizer. In exceptional cases, where you don't notice any improvements in 3 to 4 weeks, you might have to visit your dermatologist for skincare treatment of your dry skin. Brown spots, which appear on sun-exposed areas of skin, i.e. face and hands, are caused by overexposure to UV radiations. As a skincare treatment for brown spots, use a sunscreen lotion which has a high SPF, sun protection factor, say 15. This should be used irrespective of weather, sunny or cloudy. Another form of skincare treatment is covering up the exposed areas with clothing, caps, full-sleeved shirts or t-shirts, and umbrella. Also, if the general skincare treatment or the over-the-counter medication is not working for you, you should immediately consult your dermatologist for professional skincare treatment. You should also inform the doctor about the skincare treatment that you have undertaken till that time. So take the details of the till-date skincare treatment and products along with you. Based on the skin condition and the details of your till-date skincare treatment, the dermatologist will prescribe a skincare treatment, e.g. oral antibiotics, chemical peels, retinoid, etc., and you will be on your way to recovery.